Consider the expression that is on the board. What is the value of log base 16 of 27 times log base 36 of 32 times log base 9 of 216? How can we find the value of this entire expression? Now, for those of you who want to try this problem, feel free to pause the video and work on it. Now, we need to talk about some properties of logs. The first one is the change of base formula. Log base a of b is equal to log b divided by log a. The new base will be the same, in this case, c. Now, c could be any number. It could be 5, it could be 10, it could be 20. It doesn't matter what you want to make it. So, for example, let's say we have log base 3 of 4. We can make this log 4 divided by log 3. And then we could choose a base. The best base to pick is base 10. The reason for this is log base 10 of 4 is the same as log 4. If you don't see a base number, it's always assumed to be base 10. So if we have, let's say, log base 7 of 8, we can just write it as log 8 over log 7. So we're going to use the change of base formula for each expression. So log base 16 of 27, we can write that as log 27 divided by log 16. The next one, we can write it as log 32 divided by log 36. And for the last one, log 216 divided by log 9. So that's the first thing we need to do in this particular problem. Now, what do you think is the next thing that we need to do? We need to convert the larger numbers into smaller numbers. For instance, 27 is 3 raised to the third power. 16, we can write that as 2 to the fourth power. If you multiply 4 2's together, you're going to get 16. Now, what about 32? What should we change that into? 32 is basically 2 to the fifth power. Multiplying 5 2's will get you to 32. 36, we can convert that into 6 squared. 216 is 6 to the third power. And 9 is 3 squared. Now, there's another property of logs that we need to discuss. For instance, let's say we have log 5 raised to the third power. We could take the exponent and move it to the front. So this becomes equal to 3 log 5. So that's the next property of logs that we need to apply at this point. So all of the exponents we are going to convert to coefficients. And so we have 3 log 3 divided by 4 log 2 times 5 log 2 divided by 2 times log 6 times 3 log 6 divided by 2 log 3. So now we need to cancel. We can cancel log 3. We can also cancel log 2. And finally, we can cancel log 6. So let's write down what we have now. So we have 3 over 4 times 5 over 2 times 3 over 2. Just looking at the coefficients that remain. So we can multiply across. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So the answer is 45 over 16 as an improper fraction, but we can convert this into a mixed number. 45 is 32 plus 13. I chose 32 because 32 is a multiple of 16, and 45 minus 32 is 13. Now 32 divided by 16 is 2. So we have 2 plus 13 over 16, which we can write that as the mixed number, 2 13 over 16. So this is the final answer for the original problem. So that's how you could use the change of base formula and that other property to simplify logarithmic expressions as the one that was shown in this problem. Thanks for watching.